Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. This drive follows Interstate 65 as it passes through Birmingham, the largest metropolitan area in Alabama. Birmingham was founded in 1871 at the crossing of two major rail lines near rich deposits of iron ore, coal, and limestone. Those natural resources earned it the nickname the Magic City, reflecting how quickly it grew into a major center of iron and steel production. The routes we're traveling today follow corridors that once carried rail cars, raw materials, and industrial workers. Interstate 65 was built as part of the National Interstate Highway System, authorized in 1956. When it cut through Birmingham in the 1960s, it reshaped the city's layout, connecting it more directly to Nashville to the north and Montgomery and Mobile to the south. The mix of elevated roadways, interchanges, and skyline views reflects Birmingham's role as a regional transportation hub. This stretch of highway offers a quick cross-section of the city's past and present, all connected by one of Alabama's most important interstate routes. Thanks for watching!